Hey guys, it's me, Angela, and for today's video, I just wanted to sit and talk to you guys and tell you a little bit about the craziness that's been going on this week. Hold on a second. So basically, I got a letter over the weekend, over Labor Day weekend, from the property management. I own a mobile home and rent the lot, and the property management sent me a letter in the mail, even though they're right down the street, basically telling me that there is a very large tree on my lot and that I need to have it trimmed, and that they were courteous enough to get some quotes, and the best quote that they got was $125, and that I needed to give them an answer or take care of the tree within 7 days. An answer as far as if I want to go ahead and use their tree trimmer and just pay them the $125, which I could break into monthly payments or pay outright, or I can get my own quote and have somebody else do it, but it has to be a licensed professional because the tree is actually exposed, or surrounding some power lines, so it can't just be hacked down by anybody. FPL, the power company down here, had actually sent somebody down about a month ago to cut a big triangular V-shaped wedge into the tree because the branches were actually touching the power lines, which, as we all know, it's not a good thing. So they actually did that for free because it is a safety hazard. And they did that to actually two of the trees by my house. One of them is a small, wimpy little tree, but kind of tall. And the other one is the big monster that is haunting me right now. And so I was like really upset because I'm like, seriously? I don't even own the property that the tree is growing out of, and I have to pay for it. So apparently it is part of my contract and my lease that bushes and trees are my responsibility, and the park takes care of the lawn maintenance and the palm trees. So I'm basically stuck having to pay to have this big giant tree trimmed down, which honestly, I hate that tree. It constantly leaves a ton of debris in my patio, and the branches are damaging my roof, which is why I've had those cut back before. But I never thought I would have to have the whole tree trimmed down. I mean, this thing is massive. So I'm kind of peed off about that, and I got a quote. Well, I'm getting a quote on Saturday morning. They're going to come out and look at the tree and give me a quote. He is the cousin of a friend of mine, and he is a professional tree trimmer and landscaper, so hopefully he can cut me a deal that's going to be less expensive than $125. Oh, I didn't even tell you. Yesterday, I get a notice on my door. Now, mind you, yesterday was Tuesday for me, and I got the letter in the mail on Saturday. So we're talking 2 days, considering the Labor Day holiday. 2 days, maybe, yeah, Sunday, Monday, yeah, 2 days. So I get the letter on Tuesday, the notice on Tuesday on the door, and it says that it's going to cost $150 to trim the tree. And I'm like, it was just $125 on the other letter. Why is it all of a sudden $150? So basically the way they explained it to me was, if I break it down into payments, it's going to be $150. If I pay it outright, it would be $125. So that's very frustrating because, as you guys know, I have a lot of financial struggles right now, and I'm still trying to deal with the kids' insurance. I don't know if you remember, if you saw the vlog where I mentioned that I got them signed up back on the state provided insurance, which goes through Healthy Kids. So basically it's income based for a subsidized monthly premium, and And if you qualify income-wise, you pay a much lower monthly premium than if you don't. You can still use it or get it if you don't qualify income-wise, but your premium is much higher. So I applied, I got approved, the kids are on it, but then they did an income verification, but instead of asking me for pay stubs, they just asked the IRS. Why did the IRS tell them that I make over $1,000 more a month than I do? Like, seriously, they were $1,100 off. $1,100. I'm like, I have pay stubs to prove how much I make. I'm on a salary. I don't have bonuses. I don't have extra income. I'm on a salary. And I had to send them in my pay stubs because as it stands right now, they have coverage for this month, but they're not covered for next month because I made the payment for next month's coverage. You have to pay it a month in advance, but I paid the subsidized amount, not the full premium amount. So as it stands right now, this moment, they don't have coverage for next month. But luckily it's early enough in the month that I think once they process the pay stubs and see that I don't make what the IRS told them I make, they will be able to fix it and put me back in the subsidized plan and activate their coverage for next month. Another issue I'm having is that they are currently under the regular medical plan, and all three of my kids need to be in the Children's Medical Services plan, which is a separate type of insurance that covers children that have higher medical costs. So I'm still waiting to get a phone call from the nurse from that insurance to do the interview so that all three of my kids can be transferred to that specialty insurance. And what's really irritating is that they the current insurance that they have, like, a lot of places don't take it. The dental coverage that they have, a lot of places don't take that. And even pharmacies are hard to find. Like, I think CVS is the only pharmacy in this area that takes their insurance. So that's really irritating. I mean, Joey is on Adderall, and that's a very expensive medication. So hopefully that's on the formulary for that insurance because apparently it's terrible. So I can't wait to get them back on the CMS insurance, which is what they had in the past. And we did very well with it before. So I'm very familiar with how that insurance works. And I know that I can get them seen and covered where they need to be seen with coverage. So just a lot of crazy stuff going on. Work, at least, is going really well. The kids are being good, luckily. This year has been a lot better than last year so far, knock on wood. And, yeah, so basically I'm just trying to deal with this stuff one day at a time, and my allergies are kicking in. My voice sounds funny right now. But, yeah, I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what's been going on. I've just been really stressed out today, making phone calls to the insurance, to the pharmacies, getting prescriptions transferred to different pharmacies and all this stuff, plus the tree issue and calling for quotes. And I've just been so frustrated. I didn't have a chance to film a beauty-based video, so I figured I'd come on and let you guys know why I've been so frustrated and what's been going on. So, I'm gonna, if it becomes available on my Google Photos, it takes like a day or two for my pictures to go into Google Photos from my phone. So if it's there, I'm gonna insert a picture of Michaela's hair. She asked me to take a picture of it and to put it on one of my videos to show you guys what her hair looks like when it's been blow dried. She was so excited to have it blow dried. I hardly ever touch her hair with anything, any heat products, any chemical products, anything. So she was so excited when I agreed to blow dry her hair that she wanted me to show you guys how beautiful and pin straight it looked. So if I have that picture available, I will insert it at the end of this video. other than that, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I normally do product reviews, beauty videos, some family vlogging, and I guess this is one of those family vloggings, and I also do some story times. So thank you so much for watching. Follow me on social media. I am Angela That Babe on Instagram and YouTube That Babe on on Twitter and Snapchat. I'll talk to you guys on tomorrow's video. Bye guys. Have a good night.